Yeah.
Come on, Mama. Let's go.
Stand up.
We gotta show Daddy.
Just hold the very back of her shirt.
Yeah, just grab the shirt.
Hold on. Oh, yeah. You gotta stand up. Stand up.
She wants the trash.
All right, come on.
Okay, ready? Balance on your feet here, little lady.
Stand up. You want this? Come get it. Stand up. No. Gotta get up.
Beauty.
No, stand up, honey.
She doesn't want to do it.
Come get it.
Hold my hand. Ready?
Oh, bummer. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Kinley. Say hi. Hi.
Yeah. You got it? Okay. Come on.
Sit down.
Here we go. Here we go. One for Daddy.
Oh yeah. That was a good one. Oh, let him have it.
Stand
Get
up.
Grammy.
Stand up. Okay,
Kinley, where's Grammy?
Put those feet down. Feet down.
Do I need a toothpick?
Alright, we'll get you.
Yay! McKinley! Yay! McKinley, clap! Yay for McKinley!
Some cheese and crackers?
No, I'm starving. I want dinner. Not
Dinner's not ready, babe.
They're cooking.
Holy moly! No, they had to get the heat up the grill. Get your shoulder in.
I'm starving.
Well, we start saying it's not, but it's kind of hard.
She figured it out. We're done. It's all over. She's just gone from one room to the other and kept going.
Wow, that is like, watch the hill, watch the hill. Woo! When I walked down, I saw 2 weddings, Mom. She's reaching for you. 2 weddings? There you go, babe. Down on the beach? Yep. Oh, at the Ocean Edge Resort? Yeah, it must have been.
Okay, say bye-bye. Oh, you coming? Say hi, Dada. Hi, Dada.
Calling Dada?
Well,
She's videoing.
all of a sudden she's done. This is it. We have a walker.
You've been doing that a lot? Oh no.
Not like this, no.
Must have been holding. It reminds me of
Da, 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 da. Oh, did you go boom? Okay.
Mommy, quick, mommy. Oh, look at that, mommy.
Where's Kinley? There she is. Were you walking? Hat. Are you going to be a belly dancer?
What's the matter, you?
And she puts it on. But when it goes on upside down and it comes right off again.
Can you do this?